Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to share some invaluable tips on how to make your baby sleep fast. Setting the stage for baby's sleep. Creating a soothing environment is key to helping your baby fall asleep quickly. Ensure the room is dimly lit. Maintain a comfortable room temperature and use a soft and cozy crib or bassinet. Establishing a consistent bedtime routine helps signal to your baby that it's time to sleep. This can include activities like a warm bath, reading a bedtime story, and gentle rocking. The power of swaddling. Swaddling your baby can work wonders in promoting better sleep. It provides a sense of security and warmth, mimicking the feeling of being in the womb. Make sure to swaddle your baby safely, ensuring their hips and legs have enough room to move and breathe. Feeding and sleep. There is a strong connection between feeding and sleep. A well-fed baby is more likely to sleep soundly. It's essential to feed your baby before bedtime, ensuring they are not too hungry or too full, as both extremes can disrupt their sleep. The magic of white noise. White noise can be a game changer when it comes to helping your baby sleep fast. The steady sound of white noise, like that of a fan or a white noise machine, can drown out any disturbing background noise and lull your baby into a peaceful slumber. Bedtime stories and lullabies. Reading a bedtime story and singing lullabies can have a soothing effect on your baby. It's a special bonding time that helps your baby relax and feel comforted. Choose age-appropriate stories and songs to create a calming bedtime routine. Napping during the day. Daytime naps play a crucial role in helping your baby sleep well at night. Establish a nap schedule that aligns with your baby's age and needs. Ensure that naps are taken in a quiet and darkened room. Comforting techniques. When your baby is fussy, you can use various comforting techniques like gentle rocking, swaying, or offering a pacifier. Some babies find comfort in having a soft blanket or stuffed animal nearby. Avoiding sleep disruptors. Avoid common mistakes like overstimulating your baby before bedtime, inconsistent routines, and using screens before sleep. Address common sleep disturbances like night sweats or teething discomfort promptly. Monitoring your baby's sleep. Invest in a reliable baby monitor to keep an eye on your baby while they sleep. This can offer peace of mind and allow you to respond promptly if your baby needs you. Safety precautions. Creating a safe sleep environment is paramount. Follow guidelines to prevent sudden infant death syndrome, SLs, and other sleep-related risks. Growth and sleep. As your baby grows, their sleep needs and patterns will change. Be prepared to adapt your sleep strategies as they reach new developmental milestones. Conclusion. In conclusion, helping your baby sleep fast involves creating a soothing sleep environment, understanding your baby's needs, and establishing a consistent bedtime routine. With the right techniques and strategies, you can ensure both you and your baby enjoy restful nights. Before we go, we have an incredible resource to make your baby's sleep even more comfortable. Check out Baby Sleep Miracle, a fantastic guide for ensuring your baby gets the best sleep. Download this book now, link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next video.